Hey everyone, this will be a very quick unboxing here of a Best Buy open box Samsung S24 Ultra. This is the 512GB version. This one is the black titanium. So this is on sale right now. I know they're normally $14.20 or so here in the US. It's on sale at Best Buy. Then being open box is even more of a discount because it's basically used for a bit and then returned or something like that. So I bought this for I think it was about $10.80. So it's less than $1,100. Hopefully it's in really good shape. So that's a weird way of putting the cable in there. But yeah, so there's the cable. Not usually what you see first. So it's supposed to be excellent shape. Hopefully it is. It's stuck in there. And here it is. And this actually has a screen protector on it. So somebody bought it, put a screen protector on it. Probably used it for like a month and a half, and then returned it because this was printed on 3/11. So you probably had it at least since 3/11. Probably even before that. Probably got returned to them. Yeah, it has a screen protector on there. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see through the camera here, but screen is perfect. And it kind of has a screen protector. Side looks really good. So I get my camera focus there. So of course your mileage may vary if you do buy open box, especially if it's not excellent condition. Do you have the S Pen? That's good. Yeah, this thing is. Besides from having a little bit of like fingerprints on it, which is probably from me, it's like brand new. Just doesn't have the paperwork. I believe there's usually paperwork with these. So that's a bit weird. Weird thing to lose, but hey, I'll take it. Yeah, so there we go. Like I said, very quick unboxing here, open box from Best Buy. This is awesome. It comes with a screen protector. Sweet. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Goodbye.